Hi everyone, today we will be baking a cake like brownie and we will be using Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge brownie mix. So it says here that we will be needing 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. So we have it here. So we got this right here, the oil and the water mixed together, and we also got 1 egg cracked here. So let's crack the next one, and 1, 2, I'm scared. Oh man, oh man. Oh, it's breaking! It's breaking! That was so hard, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna put this away. Also, what? We got the 2 eggs cracked. Now we are going to beat all the liquid ingredients, so let's do this. Okay. Yeah, it's getting so bubbly. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's getting so bubbly. It's turning lime green, guys. Woo! It's really like a lime green Gatorade. It looks like that. Lime green Gatorade. Looks like that. Okay, so let's keep on beating it. Oh my gosh, it's turning yellow, guys. It's turning really a dark kind of yellow now. I don't know. Okay. So we're going to keep on beating this until we see all the bubbles down. I don't know. Okay. We're going to be beating it, and beating. We already mixed up all the liquid ingredients. So let's just put this aside, and we are going to be pouring in the brownies. Oh, man. I hope it won't do that again. Well, and now we are going to pour the brownie mix inside. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Oh, we didn't leave it. You're going. Here we go. Oh, here we go, cake man. Oh, brownie. It looks like a pile of dirt now. Guys, it really looks like a pile of dirt. I'll put it all in. Okay. So here we have my yellow spatula, and now we are going to be making a hole in the middle so we can put our liquid ingredients in here from inside the dry ingredients hole. That's what I okay. So I think the hole is right. So now we are going to be pouring our liquid ingredients inside the hole. I'm really scared. And then we're gonna be mixing it. So let's put it in. Oh my gosh, it's overflowing. Guys, it's overflowing. And now we're gonna mix it all up together. Oh man, it smells like chocolate now. I'll be stirring this until all of the ingredients are well blended. So let's keep on mixing. Okay, so keep on mixing. I see little ingredients in there. I'll keep on mixing until this has no lumps anymore. Keep on mixing. And then we'll keep on mixing until I see no lumps. Okay, I think this is done. It looks like this batter is ready. I'm so excited. We're going to be pouring this into the pancake pan. So let's pour it in. It says here, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I already did that. Oven right there. I already have the batter inside the pancake pan. My mom helped me pour it inside, and I want to say thank you, Mom. So let's just put it aside, and we are going to be putting the baking cups inside this pan. And then, so let's do this. Oh. Okay, so we got it out. And let's pour it in. Let's put it in. Let's touch this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 of them. Then 7, 8. Oh, so we already preheated it, and then so got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 of them, 9 of them, 10 of them, 11 of them, 12. This pan holds 12 of them. So the next one. Let's see. Oh, it's in the rough. Or am I keeping on the bottom? Okay, now let's see. 12, 13, then 14, 15. Come on, get in there. 16. A little left. 17, 18. So there's 18 of them in all. So just put these away. You must be wondering why I'm using a pancake pan. Yeah, I'm using it so it'll be easier and not messy. So yeah, let's start pouring. So make it a little half, and then don't squeeze too much. But if you put too much, it's okay. But it might be a little too much and overweight. So, I'm pouring the batter all the way to the middle so it won't spill and stuff like that. Okay, keep on pouring to the middle. Okay. Keep on pouring to the middle. Keep on pouring to the middle, and it'll drop. Okay, there. I think that's enough. Okay, now let's pour it a little fudgy drops. There. Little fudgy drops helps. Fudgy drop, fudgy drop, fudgy drop, fudgy drop. I'm just gonna do fudgy drops because I don't want to make it over. Oh my! So how many got left? 4 left. Okay. Okay, I can move it. Oh, it sounded like it broke or something. Okay. Now that's cool. There. There. Pour. There. We have the baking cups all filled, and now we are going to add the rainbow sprinkles! Yay! Let's do this. Oh man, we need to only put a little because it can't be too sweet. Okay, we're gonna do that only. A little bit more. There. Okay, let's do next. I think that's a little too much. Let's go to next. Oh, go to next. Oh no, they're pouring it. Okay, go to next. They're each a special kind, and nobody has to brag about it. Just like we are. Oh no! Let's get them back. That was a little bit more. It didn't make that sprinkle. I think that's a little too much. Let's get to the next one. Oh, no, they cannot find. Okay, we go to the next one. They're each special. Nobody cares what they look like. Okay, let's go to the next. They all just exploded everywhere. Oh man. Oh no, look at the extras. Come on. Sprinkles! I love sprinkles. They keep on going everywhere, and that's the problem with them. Fudgy. A little more. There. I hope I don't waste all of them, or else everybody's going to eat all of it. Let's go to the next one. Another one. It's kind of too sweet. Let's pour it in. They put everywhere. I think I'm gonna give each to a lot of people. Maybe when we have a party, we can make another. There's a little more. My cupcakes look delicious. Well, they're brownie cupcakes, and I'm not gonna put in the oven so burn it hot. So my mom is gonna do it. Nope. These cupcakes are pretty and ready to go in the oven for 30 minutes. Guys, it's almost 30 minutes and my cupcakes are almost ready. So let's do a double check if they are ready. I don't think it's gonna get sticky stuff. If something sticks to my toothpick, it's not done. But if nothing, it's already done. So let's see. Take a closer look. There's not that much on it. It's done. It's done. It's ready and I'm so excited to eat it. But we'll also need some help taking it out of the oven by my mom. Whoopsies. I think it was supposed to get squeezed. Look what happened. Well, I don't have a wire rack, but I do have a cord rack. It's right there. This way it looks like when I get burned all the time. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss any videos I'm going to be making. Bye everybody!